Hi, it's Immobiliser Immobiliser Fit. We're just doing a quick video on pairing up a phone to the Starline i96 and i96 Pro. So how you do it is ignition on and disarm the system. Get your melody. Now press any button we know works 7 times. So ignition off, back on, we'll get 7 bleeps. And now this is ready to learn. So if you go into the phone, turn on your Bluetooth, start searching. It may come up in this list. If it doesn't, we need to go into our Bluetooth settings. So now we're in here, we'll search for a device. i96 can. Tap on that. The password is 06 times, so 1 2 3 4 5 6. Click pair. Now if we go back into the app, see it's come up in the list. We've got 1 bleep, so it's connected. So when we turn the ignition off, you'll see we get a green circle. 1 bleep means 1 phone's paired, and there we go, we've got the green circle. So that's the phone paired up. If you've got multiple phones, they all need to be done at the same time. So 1 phone, once you get it connected and you hear the bleep, connects to the next phone, and so on, up to 5 phones. Hope this helps out some of our customers who need to pair their phone, got a new phone and so on, and they've forgotten how to do it.